What are you doing, Mommy?
Really?
Zoom in. Can't get too close because of the heat. Her famous bacon burgers. Look at that. So good. Too bad you guys can't have them. Mom loves cooking for us. We love eating it too. I give blood. What do you do?
What?
I was reading your shirt. Mom forever throwing the shocker.
For my baby Omar.
Look what you done started, Omar. Mom, be careful. Let's see how the pool's looking. Very good, boy. Put that wheelbarrow together today.
Motherfucker.
Honey, pressure wash this. Pool's still green, but nowhere near as green as it used to be. It used to be almost black.
Yeah, I wish you had it like this.
Who planted that tree out there?
Your tag's hanging out your butt.
I know, because my pants are folded. Look at the cute little tree Ricky planted out there. Oh, wait, let me get under here. Ricky's little tree. Mommy and Eddie's little birdie house. Eddie said they're getting old now that they have a bird house. Can't really see through the screen. Oh, there we go. Cute.